Hey y'all, this is Allison hanging out in my space to craft, and I'm working on Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, and this is one of the page kits I put together for that. If you have not seen that video, go back and watch it. I put together 4 page kits for my first 4 pages that I'm going to do. This is a pretty simple one. It's a single photo. I've sized it down to be about 4 by 4, maybe a little bit 4 by 4.5. It's my daughter catching up with a friend. They go to different universities, and we went to a restaurant and they had butterbeer. So I created the page kit based off my daughter's shirt and a little bit the butterbeer concept. And we're going to use Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, Day 4 sketch by Amanda Bass. It's just got the one photo, several layers of paper under it, and a lot of inking behind it, and then a little title down at the bottom. So that is my plan. I'm going to use these 2 papers for the layering. I may add some of this as well to bring in the butterbeer color, so I may end up with 3 layers under that paper. And she has some torn edges, so I'm probably going to tear edges. Here's my white background. I did also pull out a whole bunch of cut aparts and tags. I won't use all of these. I thought I might use one of these for a layer, but maybe not. I may not need to if I have those other papers. So we'll see what I use. And I have the sticker sheet, and then a bunch. This is all from Take Note from Simple Stories. I have some of the florals and a few florals and butterflies. So there are a couple of different styles of butterfly. There's the graphic style, these 2, and then there's the more realistic style. I just have to decide which one I'm going to do. I can make either work because there are additional butterflies here, 1 of each style. So that would be 3 butterflies to sprinkle around. And she did have butterflies on the sketch as well. But my first step is going to be inking. So I am going to, oh, one other thing I did, I was on my Cricut yesterday cutting some stuff out, and I decided to make a butterbeer, or a beer, but I'm going to use it as a butterbeer, and I think I might incorporate that just for a little extra something. All right, I have 4 inks pulled: Abandoned Coral, Kitsch Flamingo, Fossilized Amber, and Salvaged Patina. I think these are all the right colors to go with this floral paper. We'll leave this so it's in view. And I'm going to do, I think, some ink smushing first, and then some splattering of, I'm not sure. I'm going to do the fossilized amber here, and then the pinks here, and then I might splatter in the salvaged patina. So let's see if we can make that work. So I'm going to scoot this over so I have room here We're going to start with the fossilized amber. And I'm also going to spritz my paper a bit. Let me get this out of the way. Just to help those colors run. Now the idea is to do this without getting fingerprints. Well, that did not go as planned. My video stopped working about 6 minutes into that video when I was just starting to do ink smushing. So let's just talk about what I did so I can still post this video. So I did the ink smushing with fossilized amber, abandoned coral, and kitsch flamingo. And then I splattered and tried to get some big splotches of the salvaged patina. And that worked great. Set that over to dry and then started layering. And I tore, all of this is from the same paper pack. I tore the first one, tore two sides of the second one to get some layers. And then this one, I took another little piece and added this down here. This is all per the sketch. I used a sticker for the title. Some of these are cut aparts. This is what I made on my Cricut. And then just to add a little more black, I used this for a journaling box. And then this little black heart down here. I added in a couple other hearts. I think I'm going to move this one to here. And I did add a little bit of washi tape as well, just to add another layer. She had quite a few layers on her sketch, so I'm like, okay, I can add a little bit of washi tape here and there. Then I did some gold splattering, and I'm just going to add some enamel dots from a couple of different sets. This is butterbeer color, so I wanted to use this one. And I think that I'll do like not mixed sets, but sets like this, like butterbeer down here. And then I can do either pink, like this pink, can go up here. And then I wanted this green, which is a little, this one is Pink Fresh, so they're a little bit different size, but that's okay. And we'll do those down here. Oh, you know what? I wonder if I can pull that up. I've got this smaller set that I think will look better. 1, 2, and oops, 3. So I would like to thank Amanda Bass for her beautiful sketch and Christy's beautiful life for pulling them all together for the month of June. Let's do some close-ups. Here we go. Quite a few layers on this page. Oh, let's put something there. And put this big one. There we go. So journaling, and then the title block down here. What a fun sketch. It really stretched me to do some mixed media, and I really enjoyed it. Thanks a lot, you guys.